Right, so for lunch I'm gonna cook with these ingredients here. I'm gonna make some vegetable sauce with these ingredients. That's cauliflower. So cauliflower there. We've got some spinach, some organic carrots as well, which we would chop. So we're going to chop all these together. I've got some okra, which I'm going to chop as well, as part of the vegetables that I'm going to use to make this sauce. And after that, I'm going to have it with sweet potatoes, which is already on the fire in my pressure cooker. So I'll chop these up, show you how it looks like, and then I'll also do my spices, my ginger, my garlic, my onions. I'm going to chop that as well, and when I finish that, I'll show you how it looks like. So I've chopped the cauliflower. The cauliflower is already gone in, and I cook my cauliflower separate because cooking it before I use it in the sauce gets rid of some of the irritating stuff on the gut. So that is cooking on low heat at the moment. So as you can see here, the sweet potatoes are cooked. So I've mashed the sweet potatoes and I'm going to put it away, which will be used to enjoy the sauce when the sauce is done. So that's my spices: ginger, garlic, onions chopped ready, spinach, carrots, it's all chopped up and it's also ready there with the okra, and we've got the cauliflower is also cooked and ready. So I'm just gonna mix it up with some spices: ground cumin, coriander, a little bit of cayenne pepper will go in there, and also some Celtic salt. Just a tiny teaspoon of Celtic salt will go in there. So let's get cooking. So right, cooking is about to begin. Let's hang this cloth so it dries. Don't want it hanging about. Alright, we get the ladle. I'm also going to be using perilla oil. It's one of the best oils you can cook with. It's very healthy oil. So I just put in one ladle of this. So just one ladle like that. That's it. That's plenty of oil to cook with. So put that one away. And then warm up. Move it around the bowl. Let it warm up properly. Warming up. Now I will also be using just 1 tub of organic tomato puree as well. So the spices go in. Spices go in. I'm going to allow it to cook for a while. Not too long, but just for a little while. Move them all around nicely. I'll leave it there for a few minutes, not minutes, maybe a few seconds, and then I will put in the tomato puree, mix it up, add a little bit of water, let it cook, and then after it's cooked, I can start adding my vegetables. So the tomato puree is going in. Plenty of tomato puree here, plenty of it, it's more than enough. And because it's concentrated, you know, you want to be adding some water to it. So pour a little bit of water in there. And make sure it all mixes up. It's all mixed up nicely. Alright, let's have a look. So you can see, yeah, I think I need a bit more water in there, so I'll just add a little bit more water. A bit more. Okay, good. Now it's time for the spices. So I'm going to put my spices in, and then I'm going to allow it to cook for a while. So I will put a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, maybe a teaspoon and a half. Cayenne pepper in there. Celtic salt. So just a little bit of Celtic salt, not too much. Cumin goes in, and then coriander, also 1 teaspoon of coriander goes in. That's all the spices in. Now just need to mix it all together nicely. There we go. I'm just going to allow it to cook for a minute or two, and then I can start mixing the vegetables as well. Alright, so let's have a look and see what we've got. Wow, smoking up a little bit, which means I think it's looking good. Wow. So let's get the extractor in. Okay, so it's about time I can start mixing the vegetables and make sure all the vegetables go in. So the cauliflower will go in first. All the cauliflower is going in. Try to break them up into smaller lumps. That's why it's always good to cook the cauliflower first, because one, it gets rid of some of those geotrogenic chemicals in them that can cause irritation of the gut lining. So cooking reduces that. And then also it's easier to break them up into smaller chunks. Because when you try to do it whilst you're cutting them up, you tend to lose a lot of it. So, and then spices go in. The rest of the vegetables go in. So, spinach and okra, and carrots, they also go in. And then we try and make sure we mix it all up together so that all the juices mix and merge and collide and complement each other through the process. So there we have it. All the vegetables are gone in. Sauce is mixing it up all nicely. And I'm just going to allow it to cook for another, I would say 2 to 3 minutes on a very low heat. So So simmering heat to get the juices all to kind of flow out of the spinach and also from the okra and the carrots in. Brings a different flavor, a different taste to it. Now I can also add some linseed if I want to, but because I've got some okra in there, not so sure about the linseed today, so it's not going to go in today. Right, so I'm going to turn it up a little bit, mix it all up together. That looks so appetizing. It smells so good. It's making me hungry as well. So I will leave it on there, no heat, for another minute or two before serving. So there we have it. Our sauce is ready. It's looking amazing. It's gonna taste delicious. It smells amazing. So I'm gonna serve it now.